B-roll, agency invoice ripping in half. I'll be straight with you. I spent 3 hours digging through 5 tools that replace $5,000 agency services, and one of them cost less than my weekly coffee run. B-roll, title card, AI tool spot, logo, 5 agency replacements, real prices, real weaknesses. Stick around for the verdict. B-roll, ad variant grid, auto-generating. AdCreative.ai spits out dozens of ad variants from one logo upload. $39 a month, not a 5-figure retainer. Comment if you've burned ad budget on bad creative before. B-roll, long podcast clip splitting into vertical shorts. OpusClip turns one podcast into 10 viral shorts in minutes. The Pro plan runs $29 a month, but after testing it on 6 episodes, I found nearly 40% of the clips got tossed as unusable. B-roll, text prompt turning into a full slide deck. Gamma turns a prompt into a full deck in under a minute. I timed it myself. $10 a month versus a designer's day rate. Export to PowerPoint though, and it breaks more often than it should. B-roll, AI avatar speaking on screen. HeyGen clones you into a talking avatar in 70 languages. $29 a month for unlimited short videos. Past 60 seconds, the gestures start looking robotic. Would you trust an AI version of yourself on camera? B-roll, 2 SEO score dashboards side by side. SurferSeo scores your content against the top search results. $99 a month. But after comparing 20 of my own articles, its score only predicted 26% of real rankings. ClearScope did worse at 17. B-roll, 5 tool logos lining up with a final scoreboard. Best overall, Gamma. $10, instant decks, real-time saved. Worst value, SurferSeo, unless you publish constantly. Which one are you trying first? B-roll, AI tool spot, end card. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.